Welcome to all. The next one I am going to explain is a polygon lasso tool. That is a one tool is majorly using to cutting the images. So let us go and learn how the polygon lasso tool is working. So how you can perfectly cut your images. That the way your quality of the photograph. So what is a polygon lasso tool? This is a second tool is a polygon lasso tool. So when you're working on the images to zoom, to for a cutting, first you need to zoom which area you need to cut. You think that I need to cut in this area, so I zoom that area. So space bar, you can move the area. So I'm going to cut in between this area. Next one, you need to double click it. This is a locked layer. You remove. Then you need to perfectly zoom on what are the areas you need to cut. I'm using polygon lasso tool. So if you can zoom more, then you can more perfectly you can cut the images. So you can clearly understand the pixels. So I'm selecting the tool. I'm selecting here, clicking here. This is called for an anchor point. Suppose if you want to remove one anchor point, just click backside. So if you are not click perfectly. So I'm clicking here. This is a little bit more. So I'm clicking perfectly. This is a time taking process. Whenever you are doing the editing, you need to do very, not editing or cutting, you need to do perfectly. So I'm doing little bit fast. Again, I use space bar to go down. I reached here. I think that this is a area. This is a belt area, and again I am coming here. The anchor point is not correct. I am again clicking here, clicking again not correct. Enter. So now the area you selected. What do you do next? You need to take the feathering. So minimum the cutting feathering will 2 pixel is good because this will blur edge 2 pixel edge. So going to select the move. Then I am deleting. So now it is deleted. You can think that it is more area it is cut. You can see it zoom it. It's cut more area. So I'm going to zoom again. I'm going to reduce Control Z. So to come back to the same area, I am lasso tool. It is a 2 pixel. I am converting to 1 pixel. Then I am placing. Then I am delete. So a move tool. I am selecting the move tool. Then delete. So now it is perfect. Now cannot do more than this. Now it is. If you want to know the cutting is correct or not, what you can do, one more layer you need to add. Then move the layer above. Then add one color. Sorry. Select that layer. Then Alt delete. Here it is the foreground color would come. This is white. Left side, this one is a foreground. Where is my mouse is sir? That is a. Then Control delete background color. See now you can see the background. Now you can see that how much perfectly you cut the images. So this is a way you can cut the uh, things using polygon tool. And again, if I am working on a polygon tool, so I want to add, I put under this selection, I need to add little bit more. So for that you press shift, then you click here, that area would be added. If you want to subtract, same way, click outside and subtract. I will detail about this anti-alias and further I will explain detail. So now you understood that the lasso tool, when I select this, you can backspace, you can remove the anchor point and you can press enter, it will automatically, sorry, press enter, it is minus subtracting point, it is subtracted. So this is where if you add, you click alt, sorry, shift, it will be added. So I explained everything, and zoom in, you can zoom in, and while clicking you want to move. See here, I am control D, deselect the selection. Again I am starting the selection, same polygon does. Then I am clicking here, so I reached here, I am not able to see the top, so just press space bar, it will change to hand, drag it, it will go down, you can click again like this, again like this. Any point is not correct anchor point, just click backspace. So that's all about the lasso tool. So what you need to do, you need to take an image, perfect images, then you try to cut, mainly use on the photographs. If you do more, you can perfectly, you can you'll get a very good experience. One thing you need to think that which layer you are working. Most of the time you will do the mistake, you will cut on the some other layers, the original layer will not be deleted. This has happened for me several times when I was working as a designer. This would happen now also. You think that I am working in the image layer, maybe you are not in the image layer. So think the layers panel, which layer is working, and do the operation. You can do everything. Thank you for watching.